Hi guys, I'm Behzad Qurbani and this channel is BQ Geomatic. In this video I am going to teach you how to export from Civil 3D to AutoCAD and Microstation. Note that because AutoCAD and Civil 3D have the same file format DWG, AutoCAD can open Civil 3D files, but sometimes some features defined in Civil 3D that aren't defined in AutoCAD may show is AutoCAD incompletely or not at all. Features such as points, corridors, profiles, sections, topographic surface, grading surface, and etc. It also usually deletes data that is only required in Civil 3D and that AutoCAD users don't need, and as a result, the output file size will usually be much smaller. This method can also convert Civil 3D file to DGM format for use in Microstation, which I will explain below. If you are interested in this type of training videos and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified as soon as I post a new video. In this file, we have some of the mentioned objects. To export to AutoCAD and Microstation, go to the Civil 3D main menu. From Export, select this option. In the window that appears, select from this section whether the output you want is for use in AutoCAD or Microstation. I leave this part as the default software. If you select this option, only the current ones will be exported, and by selecting this option, all the files in the current file directory will be exported. And by activating this option, all the files in the current directory subfolders will also be exported. I select this option to convert only the current file. Enabling this option will also export all the sheets in this file. By selecting this button in the window that appears in this section, you can specify the target output file again, which I select AutoCAD again. And in this section, I select the version of the output file. To open the exported file with the lower version software, I select the 2010 version and click OK. And in here, I select the file storage directory. I can also specify custom prefix and custom suffix for my file. The settings changes are over, and from now on, every time you come here, all the settings you made now will be active and you don't need to do these settings again. Clicking the export button will convert the file, which will take time depending on the size of your file. I hope this tutorial was useful for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and write your comment, questions and suggestions below this video.